Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a really sharp looking 1970 El Camino and it is priced right. If you're looking for a good deal on a car, this is it right here. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find the price, read all the specs, and see photos top to bottom of this car and a few hundred other collector cars. They're all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the videos come out. Right now, let's go for a spin, the 70 El Camino. It's striking, isn't it? That blue with the Ridler chrome wheels, it's got a look. Got the SS domed hood. This car here is, we're selling it for someone, doing someone a favor that, anyway, the car is not our car. It's got a lot going for it. There are some unfinished items. It's a factory air-conditioned car. A lot of the components are there, but the heat and air conditioning system do need some work to be finished. Little odds and ends like this rubber around the vent window and some of these moldings are not fantastic. But it is a solid El Camino. The floors are so clean. The previous owner scraped and cleaned them, but he didn't want to paint or undercoat because he didn't want to hide anything. So you'll see nice, clean, original bare floors, even up behind the rear tires, the drain plug, all of that. It's not cut and patched or schmoozed up. It's nice, clean metal. The rockers, the floors. So you got a clean body and floor to start with. Front end components don't look brand new, but they look like they've been replaced at some point. The ball joints, bushings look good. It's got a turbo 350 automatic that's recently been serviced. Has a 12-bolt posi in the back. It's got some air shocks in the back. The paint job is about a year old. Looks like it was just done. It's a beautiful paint job. Straight, doors fit really nice. Polished out with a clear coat finish, so it's a very glossy car. The front bumper is just tarnished a little bit. It's not twisted or rusted, but it's tarnished a little bit. Headlight bezels look good. The grille looks good. Windshield's new. This trim is original. It's good, but it's original. Door handles are new. Door jambs are painted real nice. New weather strip around the doors. Bottom of the door is clean. New sill plates. Those are Ridler wheels. I forget the size offhand. It'll be on our notes in the website. I think they're 17-inch. All this trim is new. All around the bed is new. Tail lights are new. Rear bumper is new. Reverse lights look like they could be new. Inside the bed is just solid. Oh, there we go. Just a solid, actually usable bed. You could throw things in there. It's not beat up and horrible, but it's not so perfect you can't use it. So if you're willing to put a little bit of work into a car, replace a few pieces of trim, get the air conditioning going, you'd have a nice car. The interior has been restored with correct reproduction upholstery, all new door panels, armrests, new carpet. The dash pad, I think, is new. The instrument panel is really clean. It's not cut up or broken. No holes drilled in it. Heater controls, all that looks nice. Headliner's new. It does have the seat belts, missing the shoulder belts. It's got 3 gauges down below the dash, neatly installed. It's a 350 motor. Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb with electric choke, power steering, power brakes. Like I said, it is a factory air-conditioned car. The compressor's here, the lines are hooked up, but it's not functional, it's not all working. Motor compartment's very respectable. It's got the shroud. Looks good in there. So why don't I fire it up for you? Runs nice. Got dual exhaust. But I'm telling you, the price is considerably less than my show quality cars. And this is show quality. You can go to any cruise night. It's beautiful. It's just one of those There's a couple cracks in the steering wheel. If you're willing to tinker, you're going to save yourself a lot of money, and you're still getting a good solid 70L Camino with, you know, good body. The paint's done, the hard stuff's done. Runs nice. The handle for the emergency brake, that handle's missing. So those are the little odds and ends that I was talking about that need to be finished up. But you're saving $15,000, so if you don't think you can't replace some trim and some rubber and get the air working for 15 grand, then I don't know what to tell you. So there you have it. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact our staff. They'll answer questions you have, can help with financing, delivery of the car. Just visit volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to stay in touch with the cars that are being posted. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be notified every time a new one comes up. I hope you enjoyed this, and see you for more.